Hi friends, join me as I guide you on how to remove outlines without removing text in Google Docs. Open up your Google Docs document that has been outlined. Now, as you can see, this document is being outlined. To outline a text, click on the Views tab and make sure this Show Outline is ticked. Then the Outline section will open here. Then you select your text, click on the area, and you can outline it as a title, a subtitle, an heading, or whatsoever you want. Now, after the text has been outlined, to remove the outline without affecting the text, you just have to click on the times icon beside the text. Now you can see that it has been removed from outline and it is not affecting the text. But the text will still be bolding as a title or an heading. So you select the text and you click on the icon here and you select normal text. Now you see that the text has been returned to its original state. So that is how you easily remove outline from a text without affecting or removing that text. So hope this video helps you out. That's all for the video. Please like and subscribe for more useful content. Bye guys.